This is at Colorado School of Mines, Mechanical Engineering. Down?
Yeah, hit down.
That's a replaced indicator.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you don't see those on Sigma 4. It blends really well though. It looks like it would actually be.
It's a good size.
Okay, we must be on second floor. I'm all shaky here because I'm trying to like hold two things at once.
Whoa.
It's dark. It's really tall.
Annoying hydro.
Beach sensor, yeah. Let's see, floor might be.
Oh,
No. There's floor lockout key switches on every key. The indicator. They put in a CE. Wonder why they did that. It's all out of place. This is traditional Sigma 4. This isn't quite as common anymore.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's older Sigma. Let's be quiet so we can hear the board.
Yeah.
I thought this was this honestly just seemed, I don't know why I thought this was the student center.
It seemed like it.
Yeah, right, kind of seems like a student union.
Because it's so big.
Bit of a rumbling elevator.
Yeah, this thing's clean.
I thought this would be MR. What the heck is that thing? That gold cone thing? What? Yeah, we can get a view. I don't think this thing will leave us. Oh, that's a funky looking building. Yeah, this will be an interesting campus to explore. Wow.
There's their fitness center.
There we are. This is definitely like a newer end of campus.
Apparently though, this
Where's the
campus
mountains?
has, a lot of really depressing
Yeah, I mean, they're all engineering students.
They're academic.
There's the mines. Yeah. Let's get back to the elevator. Oh, this actually has a bell. Oh, I don't know what that's for.
Must be a bell, probably a
Wait,
different system.
I bet it actually has fire bells. That's interesting. Look, it actually has bells all along.
Strange. What are the
That's... Well, what are the bells for? Because they have them all throughout.
Those might be chemical lab alarms.
Probably like some sort of other alarm that tells you to get out, not for a fire.
I'm thinking you go on this one. This goes right to the room side.
The button is on just the slightest bit.
See if I can just get some.
Oh, yes.
It's not very easy. The indicators, the blue ones always show up weird on camera.
This one in particular, it's just a dirty thing. It's smudgy in person, so it's even smudgier on camera. When they're like that, they never show up good on camera.
Yeah, especially it's not even set right.
It's, yeah.
Why they didn't get a genuine ThyssenKrupp indicator?
They definitely did not try too hard with this replacement. Wow, heavy equipment.
Apparently, this building is called BBW.
Anyway, that'll be it.